Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to code a Canva. Okay, so I'm going to my Chrome right now. Alright, and you can click here Canva code, or you can choose one of them, or you can go to Canva. Alright, and there will be a Canva AI here. So you go in this side and code for me. So see what you can do with AI. You can build a website, you can build an application, you can build a, games, you know. So, and here are the samples what Canva can do. So we can create a calculator, a timeline, a menu for a restaurant, for a flashcard game, for a counter, a countdown timer, a digital invitation of birthday party or anniversary, a 3D game, um, a simulator, a matching game, matching vocabulary game, and a sorting activity for my class. Okay, let me try. I would like to try create a simple countdown timer. Okay, just create type a simple prompt. Okay, and let's see how Canva can build for you. Okay, so this is like basically like a vibe coding. You can do vibe coding with lovable.wave also, or same.new, and right, create a simple countdown timer. That's it. Also, you can chat using this voice. You can see this mic here. You can click and you can just command using your voice. Alright, okay, now let's see how Canva creates it. Okay, now then all the coding thing will happen here. This is, even though if you don't have any coding experience, you don't know how to code, like me, I also don't know how to code. This is amazing. Alright, so vibe coding can be interesting, amazing, and I'm pretty excited how this will come out. See how. Okay, so this is the version 1. So let's say I want to put 10 minutes, 11 minutes, no, 10 minutes. And there you go. Like, it's amazing. This is very clean, very simple. One thing is that you cannot click the font. If you want to change the font, you can't click the font. You can change the color also. But we can ask, can you change the color into any soft color? Okay, now let's make uh, 20. Okay, let's make it 18. Let's start. Okay, I like this color compared to the previous one. I don't know why, but I like the color between the previous one. And as soon as if you change, like example, the color or the theme or anything, you can see it's version 2 right now. So we had version 1 like this, and we had version 2 like this. But I like, when it comes to soft color, obviously I like this one. But other than that, I like this one. It matches with the Canva theme also. Alright, anyways. And if you wanna change your font, I think you can give the prompt to the Canva code. Then it can change the font as well. But I'm fine with it. So I'm gonna go here, use in a design. I'm gonna click. Now it shows like a normal, like how we go to a blank template, designing template. It shows like this only. Alright. and you want to publish your website. You can publish your website also. And there you go. Your website is published now. There you go. It is published already. So this timer can be, you can change into, let's say, 20 minutes, and there you go. So you can use your this timer for your projects, whatever projects you're doing, but you need timer. So this can be used, Also, I'm gonna go back to Canva AI. Now I'm gonna try to create a game, like sorting animals game. Okay, you can enter your own prompt, or you can select one of these prompts provided by Canva. Okay. Okay, so I've answered few of Canva's questions. Alright, and now let's see how Canva adapt my answers and work on it. So I'm pretty excited. This is a interactive animal categorization game. So it's like a simple kids game which you can make using Canva also. So you don't need advanced coding. Just write a simple prompt, whatever Canva asks you the question. Just answer simple answers, and let's see how Canva work on it. Okay, so I hope you guys get the idea. Okay, so here is the final look. I really like this one. I really like the theme, drag and drop animals into their correct categories. Okay, and we have some animals here, and we can drag and drop, and they will, and if it's correct, then they will say correct. So it's something like this, guys. Each category has two animals. Okay, I like this is a very fun part. Okay, there's forest, ocean, safari, beginner, medium, advanced. Okay, so it's very good, very interesting. I like the design also. So I'm gonna go here, use in design, and I'm gonna do the same part, publish the design. All right. So I think that's it, guys. This is how you can create application, game, or website using Canva AI. Code for me, Canva AI. Okay. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop a yellow heart or yellow star if you like this video and if this video is valuable for you. And if you're watching until now, please do comment I have watched till very end. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do share with your in your circle. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.